Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Fashion, Beauty, and Wine. In today's video, I'll be experimenting with more items in my collection of new products and giving my thoughts. So if you'd like to see me recreate this look and see what's new, then stick around and keep watching the rest of the video. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and mostly enjoyed this look. I had a great time working with these new products. The NYX lip gloss was amazing. It was the perfect nude color for my skin tone and the gloss was thick. The Bling Boss palette from the Fall Collection's colors were loved and pigmented, but the performance lacked a bit. I definitely experienced some patchiness and the foils didn't take well to liquid at all. As for the Ofra highlighters, they were cute. If you're not careful with these highlighters, they can be bad, meaning that if you're a woman of color like me, you'll need to go very, very light with these highlighters or else they will show up ashy. NYX HD Primer was a no, but you already knew that. Anyhow, if you like the video, don't forget to press the thumbs up button. And if you are not subscribed, take a moment to press that subscribe button. Again, I want to thank you for watching. I wish you all nothing but peace, love, fashion, beauty, and wine. Bye-bye.